Hi, this is Mr. Handy's class for the year 10, 11 IGCSE 0580 Math. Okay, I'm giving tuition online. So if you're interested, please contact me, PM me. So this is the free session. So I will try to upload some free session. You can follow as well. Okay, today we are doing some factoring by grouping. Okay, what is a factoring by grouping? Okay, let's see this question. 3x squared plus a 6x plus a 4x plus 8. Okay, so if I want you to factoring out this one, okay, for example, you may take all the x. Yeah, the first three term you have the x, but the last one you don't have the x, so it's impossible for us to do that. So we need to find the other way out. Okay, here I have shown you some example. So 3xx, it will means that 3 times x times x. 6x also means that 3 times 2 times x. So can you see the similar thing? There's a 3x, 3x. Okay, so we can take out the 3x, Okay, so for example, if I take out the 3x, it will be like a 3x. Then what is left behind? What is left behind is the x, yeah, this one, and then the 2 plus the 2. Okay, on the other side, this one I can see a 4 times x, and then this is a 8 is actually 4 times 2, right? So I can take out, let me use another color. Okay, 4x, 4 times 2. So I can take out the 4. So I can take out the 4 here. What is left behind? Taken the 4 out 4, so it's a left x. And then take out 4, it's a 2. Now, okay, for exam, your teacher will pick up this out of the question. You can see easily that this is the same, right? I think you can see that this is the same, okay? Again, we should take up this one, in the bracket, the whole thing, x plus a 2, okay? And then what is left behind, okay? Will be a 3x, and then what is left behind here will be a 4. Can you see that? This is how we do the factoring by grouping. I hope this can help you, okay? Let me further some question, which is a hard one, okay? So, for example, this x cubed minus 4x squared plus a 3x minus a 12. Okay, so if I want you to factorize out this one, we can see that you have the x power of 2, x power of 2, both sides I can take out. So x power of 2. After I take out 2x, I still have remaining 1x, but this one I only have the 4. Can you see that? On this side, I can take out the 3. Okay, so 3. What is left is x, and then this is x, and then a 4. So now you can see that again, this is the same. So if I take out x minus 4, okay, so what is left is x squared from here, and then a 3 from the second one. So this is how we do the factoring by grouping. Next it will be different, okay? I will include the thing without number, okay? So to give you a summarize, AC plus a AD plus a BC plus a BD. Okay, so again we can take out the A, and then what's left is a C plus D. Again we can take out the B, and then what's left is a C plus D. Okay, so if you take out the C plus D, the C plus D, the whole thing, and then what's left is A plus a B. Okay, this is Mr. Henry Clement. I hope that you can enjoy this class. Thank you. Year 10, factoring by grouping.